guys, hi, what's up? My name is Rukma. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Rukma's Life. In today's video, I'm gonna be sharing all my birthday gifts with you guys. I hope you guys had a great Navratri. I hope you guys had a great Diwali. And now that the festive season is almost over, I thought of sitting down and recording this video with you guys, which I try to shoot almost every year. But yeah, here I am. I'm gonna share everything with you guys that I was gifted by Vivek, my husband, and everybody else in my life who's close to me, who's special to me. Of course, I don't want to sit and label कि इन्होंने ये दिया, उन्होंने वो दिया, because I think that is a very personal equation which I have with these beautiful people, and I would like to keep that intact and not overexpose on social media. But yes, whatever Vivek has given to me, I would of course like to share that individually. And this video is not going to include the gifts that I gave myself, because I think those gifts deserve like a separate, like a special video, because it's not like I gifted myself those things on my birthday or during my birthday month. I've been planning to buy those things for a number of months, and I've been gifting myself those things almost from the month of April. So April, May, June, July, August, September, October, इतने सारे महीनों में मैंने थोड़ा थोड़ा करके मुझे खुद को चीज़ें मैंने गिफ्ट की है, जो भी मैं आप लोगों के साथ शेयर करूँगी, बिकॉज आई फील लाइक यू आर गोना गेट अ लॉट ऑफ गिफ्टिंग आइडियाज़ फ्रॉम दिस वीडियो एंड द अदर वीडियो इज वेल. सो आई एम गोना बी मेकिंग अ डिफरेंट वीडियो ऑन दैट. आज की वीडियो में आई एम शेयरिंग एवरीथिंग विच वॉज गिफ्टेड टू मी बाय विवेक एंड ऑल द अदर वेरी वेरी स्पेशल पीपल इन माई लाइफ. So without any further ado, let's get started. I definitely love watching such videos, and I just hope you guys find this video entertaining, a good time pass. You like watching it. I have a lot of gifts to share with you guys. So just sit with your cup of, I don't know, lemon tea, coffee, whatever it is that you like, hot chocolate. Like अभी हर जगह पे अलग अलग weather चल रहा है इंडिया में. So whatever you like, वो लेके बैठ जाओ and let's start. सबसे पहले I'm gonna start with this particular bag. This one is from Daily Objects, and I don't know exactly कौन सा मॉडल है ये, but personally I feel like this is a passport bag. So इसमें मेरा passport and बाकी सारे भी जितने important documents है, currency etc. सब कुछ fit हो सकता है. It's a really really nice bag. I really like it. So this is the place where I can keep my passport, and यहाँ पे also I can keep, you know, like cash or cards, pen drive etc. And यहाँ पे भी ऐसे दो partitions है, so I can easily keep like any important things like keys and all. This one is from Daily Objects. I just love the color. I love the size. I love that I can carry all important things in one place. So this one was a great gift, and I really liked it. Moving on to the next gift. This one is from Jiva. This one is actually a chain, and it has this beautiful heart pendant. So silver chain है, and इसमें एक heart pendant है. बहुत ही ज़्यादा प्यारा है ये. And actually, you know, with regular tops that I wear, like western tops that I wear and all of that, this particular chain is gonna look so beautiful. It's so minimal, yet it's gonna add that beautiful classy touch to my outfits, to my western outfits especially. So I really like this one. Let's move on to the third gift. The third gift actually happens to be a coffee tumbler. Now I am a out and out coffee person. I used to love my chai, but it's been quite some time कि मैंने एक्चुअली चाय छोड़ दिया है, बिकॉज मुझे चाय से ना एक्सेसिव एसिडिटी होता था बीच में. सो आई हैव जस्ट लेफ्ट चाय एंड नाउ आई जस्ट स्टिक टू माई कॉफी. सो दिस वन इज एक्चुअली अ कॉफी टम्बलर. इट्स सो क्यूट, इट्स सो प्रिटी. आई really like the way it looks, and this one also will show you the temperature of your drink. Like अभी यहाँ पे 32 आ रहा है लिखा हुआ. So this will also show you the temperature of the drink, which I think is great. So you can open the whole lid of course, and वैसे भी आप sip कर सकते हो, पी सकते हो. Yeah, so that is how the tumbler looks like. I really like it. I'm definitely gonna be carrying it on my next road trip and weekend वगैरह में भी मैं इसमें black coffee भर के लेके जा सकती हूँ. So really like this one as well. थोड़ा मैंने camera angle change किया, just like that, just randomly, because I feel like sun ये तरफ से आ रहा है, and this is gonna be like a golden hour moment happening in our own sweet video. Anyway, let's move on to the next gift. The next gift is gonna be a beautiful grooming set from M. Caffeine. Look at this, you guys. This has so many products and I haven't yet started using any of this because I wanted to first shoot this video, share all these beautiful gifts with you guys, and now I'm gonna go ahead and start using all of these gifts. Okay, so this one is their blueberry set, okay, from M Caffeine. Let's just go ahead and tell you what all this has. Okay, सबसे पहले this particular set comes with a loofah. Okay, yeah, this is their teal loofah, very pretty. And then there is a body lotion. This one is their blueberry swirl serum body lotion with niacinamide, cocoa butter and blueberry extract. This one is for deep skin moisturization. I'm a dry skin girly, so I love my moisturizers. Mumbai mein it's a humid weather, so utni zarurat nahi padti hai moisturizers ki, but now that we are almost towards the end of October, it's been feeling very dry, which is the weather and my skin, they've been feeling very dry. So this is gonna be a great companion for me at night. इसको लगा के अच्छे से हाथों में पैरों में मैं लगा के सोने वाली हूँ. So really lovely gift. Next is a body scrub. This one is the Blueberry Breeze body scrub. This comes with coffee, blueberry extracts, apricot and shea butter. I already have a body scrub from Dove in my washroom. Once I'm done with that, I'm gonna use this one. This one looks so promising. And the next product, which was a part of this particular blueberry set from M Caffeine, is their Blueberry Blast body wash with blueberry extracts, vitamin E and coffee oil. This is what it looks like, you guys. It looks so pretty, and I'm really looking forward to use all of these things which were a part of this set. This time I was really pampered with a lot of M Caffeine things. I have another box, another set from M Caffeine right here. So in this we have 3 products, and आपको color देख के ही समझ में आएगा कि all of these are predominated by coffee. Like the other set was more of like blueberry stuff. This one is predominated by coffee. So सबसे पहले इसमें we have a shimmer body scrub. This is what it looks like. Then we have a body butter. This one is a shimmer body butter. So whenever I'm wearing a dress or something in which like my neck or you know my this bone is visible, I can surely apply this shimmer body butter and it's gonna give my look such a nice addition. So this one is really great. And then we have a body shimmer. I don't know, is this an oil? Probably it looks like an oil to me. So this one is also a shimmer product. So all of these products, you know, are never a part of my vanity because I don't apply all of these shimmer butters and shimmer oils and all. But this birthday, since I've been gifted this, I'm definitely gonna go ahead and try it out because I do very minimal makeup and yeah, minimal clothing, minimal jewelry, and I walk out of the house. But now that I have this, I'm gonna be mindful, keep track of when I'm wearing dresses and all, and apply all these shimmer products and then step out of the house. That's what I'm going to be doing. Let's see what other gifts I received. Alright, you guys, the next gift that I have received is this beautiful bag. Look at that. This bag gives holiday. This bag just gives vacation and holiday. It looks so pretty. It's in this circular shape, and I don't think I have any other bag which is in this circular shape. It looks so nice. It's multicolored. Like I said, it gives that holiday kind of vibe. And you know what, you guys, this one is pretty spacious as well. So I know it doesn't give that vibe from the external look of it, but इसमें काफी सारा सामान आपका आने वाला है. Like easily you can keep like a very small bottle, your phone, your lipsticks, your portable charger, all of those things, house keys and all is gonna fit into here. And obviously this comes with its sling, but you can also carry it like this, which is gonna look very classy. I really like it. I didn't have anything like this in my collection, so it's a very unique gift that I received. And I have another gift to show you all before I get into Vivek's gifts. Which one is this particular tea set? Oh my goodness, I'm someone who loves my green tea. I love my fennel tea, my tulsi tea, my chamomile tea. I just love it. Okay, I love it. I am a coffee person, I agree, but any time of the day, if you just give me a cup of chamomile tea or a cup of fennel tea, I'm gonna love you because I love it. And anybody who's close to me knows that about me. So this one is a tea set from the Tea Arc. Okay, this one has fragrant flowers, rare herbs and finest tea leaves. Okay, Now this particular set looks so aesthetically pleasing. I don't even want to open it because it's so aesthetic. Okay, you can see 9 boxes out here. Now this one is ashwagandha turmeric tea. Okay, then you have high grown green tea over here. Then there is orthodox black tea. Then there is mint green tea. Vivek is gonna love this because Vivek loves his mint drinks. Okay, then there is hibiscus rose green tea. I love the flavor of hibiscus and rose in my tea. Then there is blue tea with spearmint. It's been a while that I haven't had blue tea. It's been easily 2 to 3 years I haven't had blue tea. Blue tea with spearmint भी है इसमें. Then there is Punjabi masala chai. Oh my god, I wasn't expecting this in this particular set. I thought कि इस set में सिर्फ you know जो ऐसे fancy वाले चाय होते हैं वही होंगे. But इसमें पंजाबी मसाला टी भी है, which is great stuff. Then there is Kerala masala chai. Ooh, wow. And then there is Bombay cutting masala chai. You gotta be kidding me. So basically this column that you have here is all masala chai, and here you have all the rose, hibiscus, mint and all goodness. Wow, I love this set, you guys. And guys, I showed you so many different kinds of you know things and gifting sets in this video. I really hope कि आपको बहुत सारे gifting ideas मिल गए होंगे because you know we are in the month of October. So अभी you know Christmas आने वाला है, weddings आने वाले हैं, बहुत लोगों के birthdays होते हैं इन 3 महीनों में, October, November and December. So I really hope कि आप लोगों को बहुत सारे gifting ideas इस वीडियो से मिल गए होंगे. And अगर आप लोगों को और gifting ideas चाहिए तो जो वीडियो मैं बनाऊंगी on the gifts that I've given myself on my birthday, please wait out for that video. I'm gonna film it very soon and put it out because I'm also equally excited. So I'm gonna film it and put it out as soon as possible. So उसमें भी आप लोगों को बहुत सारे gifting options definitely मिल जाएंगे. Now let's finally go ahead and show you everything that Vivek gifted me for my birthday. Alright, the first and the most special gift which Vivek gave me is this particular perfume from YSL. This is their Libre. This is not the intense version, this is the original version. Guys, I wanted to get this for myself, but this man, he knows me so well, he knows my taste so well. This is such a lovely fragrance. I don't know how to describe this. I'm gonna pop the notes out here, but you guys know this is one of the world's like best perfumes, okay, one of the world's best fragrances. So I really love it. It's a great gift, and I think one of my favorite gifts that I've received from Vivek in all these years. So this is the first thing that he gave me, and I truly love it. I love spraying this over me. I love the fragrance. It's chef's kiss, absolutely. Then he went ahead and gifted me this set of face masks from Tony Moly. I think there are 10 pieces out here. Now he knows how much I love my skincare, okay, so he noticed that, he knows that, he observed that, and he got this I think from Blinkit or Instamart. He got me a set of 10 sheet masks from Tony Moly. I really love my skincare, and during weekends ना मुझे ऐसे you know sheet mask या फिर ऐसे clay mask लगा के book पढ़ना, web series देखना, काम ऐसे घर में ऐसे dusting वस्टिंग करना बहुत पसंद है. I believe in multitasking, तो फिर एक साथ बहुत सारा काम हो जाता है. So he gifted me these and I love it. I just completely love it. I have myself never got the set from Tony Moly. I have used their individual sheet masks, but I never had the set. Set of sheet masks मैंने सिर्फ Face Shop का यूज़ किया हुआ है, which you all know is amazing and probably the best. But Tony Moly का भी is very great, and I'm so looking forward to using all of these. Then the third gift which he gave me is this lipstick from Kiro. This is my first lipstick from Kiro actually. I've been looking forward to buying a Kiro lipstick for so many months now, and finally I got my hands on this. This is in the shade Rose Apple 02. This is actually their lip and cheek tint, but I'm gonna use it more as a lip tint and not as a cheek tint because I have a lot of blushes. So isko I'm just gonna use as my lip tint. It's a beautiful shade, you guys. Let me do a quick swatch for you all as well. You guys know I always stick to my pinks, and max to max I go for a nude color, but this one is absolutely amazing. It's absolutely like beautiful pink in color, and I love it. And the next gift which he gave me is this ultra light SPF 50 plus PA 4 times plus sunscreen with avocado, vitamin C and vitamin E from Quench. Quench makes Korean products, so this is like a small sample size I think of a sunscreen, but it's a great sunscreen. I am really looking forward to trying this. Also very friendly for travels, very easy to carry in my handbag, so I'm gonna save it for my travels, and if I like it I'm definitely gonna get the bigger packaging. Now these are just some of the things which he gifted me. He basically had taken me shopping to Zudio and to Westside before the festive season started. So before Navratri he'd taken me to Westside I think on 2-3 days, then he took me to Zudio for a day, and वहाँ से ना मैंने जो भी शॉपिंग किया था आपको सब मेरे शॉर्ट्स वगैरह में दिख जाएंगे. Like I got this very beautiful night suit set from Zudio which he gifted me. Then I got this very beautiful maroon top and skirt set from Westside. I'll pop a picture here. This set also Vivek gifted me, and everything else that I got from Westside and Zudio, basically everything he only gifted me. So all of that was also like a part of my birthday presents only. So yeah, these were all the things that I received on my birthday, and I'm so thankful and grateful, of course, for these beautiful gifts, but also for the love, the concern, the consideration out of which all of these beautiful people have sent me these gifts. Thank you to each and every one of you. Thank you so much. I love all of these gifts a lot, and please आप लोग नज़र रखना मेरे चैनल पे, because very soon I'm gonna share with you guys everything that I gifted myself on my birthday. There is going to be perfumes, there are going to be handbags, and a lot of beautiful amazing things that just a girly girl has gifted herself. Alright you guys, so do stay tuned for that video as well. I'm gonna see you very soon in my next video. Till then, take care, loads and loads of love you guys. Bye bye.